Hi, I'm Ray Miller with Audio Advisor. As an audio aficionado for more than 40 years, I've learned that it's often not replacing your speakers or your amplifier that makes the biggest difference. It's the accessories that tie everything together. So today we're diving into surprising accessories that can transform your system. You might be shocked at how much better your favorite music can sound with these smart upgrades. Let's take a look at a few of my favorites. Things that can dramatically improve clarity, imaging, and even bass response in your setup. Let's start with something simple but powerful. Literally, your system's performance depends on the quality and purity of the power feeding it. Upgrading to a high-quality cable like the Pangea Audio AC9 Mark II or the AC14 SE Mark II will reduce electrical noise and deliver a cleaner current to your gear. You'll notice tighter bass, smoother highs, and an overall quieter background. It's one of the easiest and most affordable ways to take your system up a notch. Next up, vibration control. Your speakers don't just move air, they shake floors, stands, and everything around them, even the pictures on the walls. This vibration will muddy your sound if it's not put under control. The acoustics Gaia 2 or 3 isolators work wonders by mechanically decoupling your speakers from the surface they sit on. The result? Tighter bass, clearer mids, and a more open soundstage. When customers try these, they're blown away. It's like focusing a camera lens. You hear every detail snap into place. For vinyl lovers, this one is a must. Even a thin layer of dust in the vinyl grooves can dull your sound and create annoying pops and static. A good carbon fiber brush and a record cleaning solution can make your vinyl quieter, cleaner, and more dynamic. For an even deeper cleaning, we highly recommend the Record Doctor 6 record cleaning machine. A fast, professional-grade solution that keeps your collection pristine. Don't underestimate how much performance you can lose to dirty grooves. If you keep your records clean, your turntable and your ears will thank you. Here's one audiophiles often overlook. Your room. The best gear in the world cannot overcome bad acoustics. Simple changes like, adding acoustic panels or isolating speakers can tighten up imaging and balance out your frequency response. It's not as flashy as buying a new amp, but it's one area where even small changes in speaker positioning or acoustic treatment will produce noticeable improvements. And of course, don't forget your signal path. Quality cables from brands like AudioQuest or Kimber Cable can make a big difference in preserving the detail and dynamics of your music. Well-shielded cables reduce interference, hum, and high-frequency loss. It's all about delivering the cleanest possible signal from source to speakers. Here's the takeaway. Sometimes the small stuff makes the biggest difference. Power upgrades clean up your system's foundation, isolation feet sharpen your soundstage. Record care keeps your vinyl in top shape. Room treatment reveals hidden detail. And quality cables let your music shine. You don't need to replace your whole system to hear real improvement. Just a few of these smart upgrades can transform the experience. Leave a comment below and let us know which of these upgrades would you start with first. If you're ready to take your system to the next level, visit us at audioadvisor.com or call our team at 1-800-942-0220. We will help you find the right accessories for your setup. And don't forget, please click like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another tip or product spotlight. I'm Ray Miller with Audio Advisor. Thanks for watching and happy listening.